Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 and 11. So first of all, head on to the search bar and type in power settings. You will see this power and sleep settings, click on it. Now go on to additional power settings. Now go on to change plan settings. Now go on to change advanced power settings. Now over here find USB settings. Then make sure this setting is enabled. If it's disabled, click on enable, then hit apply and OK. After this, search device manager, open device manager. Now go on to universal serial bus controllers, right click on USB composite device and click uninstall device. You should do this with all of the options you are seeing of USB. Once you do that, close it out and just restart your PC. I hope this will fix your issue, and if it did, make sure to leave a like on our video and subscribe to our channel.